Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been curious about. You know that feeling, right? The one where you're questioning if you're doing enough for your health. That feeling that you're just stuck, like you're in a rut, just going through the motions. It's like every day is the same and you're not making any progress. Well, I'm here to tell you, you gotta move. Movement is key to breaking out of that cycle. And I'm not talking about some crazy workout routine. Just simple, consistent steps can make a huge difference. Today we're diving into 9 easy tips to help you complete 10,000 steps a day. These tips are practical and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. That's right, 10,000 steps. It might sound like a lot, but trust me, it's totally doable with a little bit of effort and planning. It might sound like a lot, but trust me, it's totally doable. You'll feel more energetic and accomplished. Walking efficiently not only keeps you healthy and active, but also helps in reducing weight. Plus, it's a great way to clear your mind and enjoy some fresh air. So grab your shoes, let's get out there and make every step count. Remember, every step you take is a step towards a healthier you. Alright, first things first. We're starting the day off right with a morning walk. It's not just about exercise, it's about setting a positive tone for the day ahead. No excuses, people. You wake up, you brush your teeth, you lace up those shoes, and you hit the pavement. It's a simple routine that can make a huge difference. And listen, I get it, mornings can be rough. The bed is warm and the world outside seems daunting. But trust me, there's something about that fresh air, that feeling of the sun on your face, that just sets the tone for the entire day. It's invigorating and refreshing. It's like you're telling the world, hey, I'm here, I'm ready, let's do this. You're starting your day with purpose and energy. Plus, it's a great way to get a head start on those steps. Every step counts towards your daily goal. Think about it. Even a quick 30-minute walk in the morning is already a few thousand steps in the bank. That's momentum, baby. And that momentum can carry you through the rest of your day with a positive mindset. Alright, chapter 2. And this one's simple. Forget the elevator, forget the escalator, we're taking the stairs. This is one of the easiest ways to sneak in some extra steps throughout your day. Think about it. How many times a day do you walk past a perfectly good staircase just to stand there and wait for the elevator? It's time to break that habit. Those stairs are your new best friend. They're a free workout, they're good for your heart, and they're everywhere. So next time you see those stairs, don't shy away, conquer them. Now it's time to talk about that midday slump. You know what I'm talking about. That post-lunch feeling where all you want to do is crawl under your desk and take a nap. It's like your energy just vanishes, and focusing on work becomes a monumental task. Well, I've got a better solution. A lunch break walk. Instead of reaching for another cup of coffee, why not lace up your shoes and head outside? Instead of spending your entire lunch break hunched over your desk, get up, get out, and get moving. Fresh air and a change of scenery can do wonders. Even a 15-minute walk around the block can make a world of difference. It doesn't have to be long or strenuous, just enough to get your blood flowing. It'll clear your head, boost your energy levels, and of course, rack up those steps. Plus, it's a great way to break up the monotony of the workday. Plus, you'll come back to work feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the rest of the day. So next time you feel that slump coming on, remember, a walk can be your best friend. Chapter 4, Parking Lot Power Walk. This next tip is all about strategy, people. It's about working smarter, not harder. We're talking about parking further away from your destination. I know, it sounds counterintuitive. But hear me out. Those extra few minutes of walking from the back of the parking lot add up. And the best part is, its effort around the block can make a world of difference. It doesn't have to be long or strenuous, just enough to get your blood flowing. It'll clear your head, boost your energy levels, and of course, rack up those steps. Plus, it's a great way to break up the monotony of the workday. Plus, you'll come back to work feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the rest of the day. So next time you feel that slump coming on, remember, a walk can be your best friend. Chapter 4, Parking Lot Power Walk. This next tip is all about strategy, people. It's about working smarter, not harder. We're talking about parking further away from your destination. I know, it sounds counterintuitive. But hear me out. Those extra few minutes of walking from the back of the parking lot add up. And the best part is, it's effortless. You're already walking anyway, might as well make it count. So next time you're circling the lot for that coveted close-up spot, do yourself a favor and park a little further out. Your step count will thank you. Chapter 5. Break it up. The power of short walks. Alright, let's talk about the power of short walks. I'm talking 5-10 minutes, just get up and move. These little bursts of activity throughout the day can make a huge difference. Set a timer on your phone, put a sticky note on your computer, whatever it takes to remind yourself to get up and walk around every hour. You can even use it as an excuse to take a break from work, grab some water, stretch your legs. It's all about incorporating movement into your daily routine, even in small doses. Chapter 6. Walk and talk. Multitasking magic. Next up, we're talking about multitasking. And no, I'm not talking about answering emails while walking on the treadmill. Please don't do that. I'm talking about walking while you talk on the phone. Think about it. How many hours a day do you spend glued to your phone, just sitting there? Well, it's time to break free from the phone-sitting trap. Next time you're on a call, pace around, walk around the block, just keep moving. You'll be surprised how many steps you can rack up without even thinking about it. Now, if you're serious about hitting that 10,000 step goal, you need a way to track your progress. That's where fitness trackers and pedometers come in. These little devices are like your own personal cheerleading squad, motivating you to keep going. Seeing that step count go up throughout the day can be incredibly motivating, and it helps you stay accountable. Plus, a lot of them even sync with your phone and track other metrics like calories burned and distance covered. It's like having a mini coach right on your wrist. Walking doesn't have to be a solo activity. In fact, it's way more fun with a friend. Grab a buddy, join a walking group, whatever it takes to find your walking crew. Having someone to walk with not only makes the time fly by, but also keeps you accountable. You're less likely to skip a walk when you know someone else is counting on you. Plus, it's a great way to socialize, catch up with friends, and explore your city. Alright, last but not least, we're talking about reminders. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle and forget to move. That's why it's crucial to set reminders throughout the day. Set an alarm on your phone, put a sticky note on your computer, whatever it takes to remind yourself to get up and move every hour. Even if it's just for a few minutes, those short bursts of activity add up over time. Remember, consistency is key. There you have it, 9 easy tips to help you reach 10,000 steps a day. Remember, staying active is key to a healthy lifestyle. It's not about being perfect. It's about making small changes that add up to big results. So get out there, explore your city, and make every step count. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.